What if the product being advertised as a powerful pressure washer isn't actually a pressure washer at all? That's the big question surrounding the Hose Hawk pressure washer. At first glance, the marketing looks impressive, showing powerful streams of water blasting away dirt, grime, mud, mold, and even stubborn oil stains with ease. The promise is simple. Attach Hose Hawk to a regular garden hose and instantly get pressure washer level cleaning power. However, when you look at how water pressure actually works, the claims become much less convincing. A standard garden hose typically operates between 40 and 80 psi, while real pressure washers often generate well over 1,500 psi. No, nozzle attachment can magically multiply that pressure to professional cleaning levels. The so-called hydropower technology appears to be little more than a marketing term for a basic spray nozzle that focuses the water stream. While that can improve reach and control, it does not create true pressure washer performance. Another concern is that many promotional videos appear exaggerated, with cleaning results that seem unrealistic compared to what a hose attachment can realistically achieve. Deep oil stains, heavy mold buildup, and years of embedded run generally require much stronger equipment than what Hose Hawk provides. There are also questions about the sales tactics being used, including countdown timers, limited stock warnings, and steep discounts designed to create urgency. Adding to the skepticism, nearly identical products have appeared under different brand names, including Jeterix and Kenox Aquaxis, while similar nozzle attachments can often be found on wholesale marketplaces for only a few dollars. That doesn't automatically make Hose Hawk a scam, but it does raise questions about the large markup and the way it is being marketed. Based on the available information, Hose Hawk appears to function as a hose spray attachment rather than a true pressure washer, making it important for buyers to keep their expectations realistic before purchasing.